Un o wobrau pwysica'r gymdeithas ydy Gwobr Syr Bryner Jones, a mae'n cael ei rhoi yn flynyddol ac mae'n anrhydedd fawr i unrhyw un i derbyn ni. Mae yna thema gwahanol yn flynyddol. Richard Vaughan, un o'r beirniad eleni. Beth oedd y thema tro yma?
Wel, y thema eleni oedd cynhyrchwyr bwyd neu diod yn fusnes eang neu teuluol, a oedd yn dangos bod yn arloesol, yn gynaladwy ac yn rhoi agwedd positif iawn ar y ymgylchedd yma yng Nghymru.
Mi gawswch chi restr fawr o enwebion yn do, a mi ddeithwch chi restr fer o dri?
Do, oedd na 10 i gyd dros y siroedd yng Nghymru, a ddothon ni lawr i'r restr fer o dri, fel edrych chi. Yr Hig yn Corwen, a Gwenyn Griffith, lawr yn Ceredigion, a Radnor Hills, wel yn Radnor.
A ryw air bach am bawb pam oedden nhw'n heiddi i lle yma?
Ie, oedden nhw gyd, oedd y gysylltiaeth yn agos iawn, chwarae teg, ac bob un yn deilwng iawn i fod yn y top 3, really. Ond mae'n anodd iawn, dyn ni'n goffa wneud y dewisiadau yn diwedd. Ond roedd bob un yn dangos brwdfrydydd, ffeindio marchnadau newydd, y commitments mae pawb yn goffa roed i sefydlu busnes, ac yn sicr efo yr Hig oedd na eang o fusnesu yna yn dangos sawl peth i helpu'r ymgylchedd.
Ie, felly, yr enillydd?
Ie, wel mae'n amlwg wan, dydy mae o'r Hig oedd yr enillydd.
Lord Newborough, o'r Hig, congratulations. What does this award mean to you?
I think it's wonderful for me, it's wonderful for my team, because at the end of the day it's a team effort. I mean, we've worked really hard for the last 22 years to do what we think is good for the environment and good for quality, and I think good for Wales. And I think those are the key things for me, and winning this award here today is probably one of the most important prestigious awards I've ever won, so it means an awful lot.
Things have truly developed, haven't they, over the years at the Rheg estate? Every time I pass, it seems to be bigger and better. Where are you at the moment? How do you see things?
I think we're still diversifying. Every time I say to my team, or I've just had a thought, you know, they all look very worried at me, but I think diversification really has helped us over the years, and I think the common theme of caring for the environment, caring for the soil, minding one's carbon footprint, I think is where a lot of farmers in Wales could excel, really. And I hope very much, you know, Wales will be seen as probably the most world-leading sustainable country in the world, because we've got a lot to offer.
You've got a lot to offer. Mae hwnna'n ddeud mawr yn dydi o, ond ydi gwireddu hwnna'n...
Yn bendant, ac o'n i'n teimlo pan oeddwn ni'n yna, yn teimlo bod o flaen amser mewn gwirionedd. Fel mae'r pwyslais wedi dŵad efo'r carbon footprint a cynhyrchu yn lleol a gwerthu'n lleol, ac yn sicr mae o'n ticio'r bocsys i gyd yn yr ystyr ni.
I must ask about the new skincare range.
Oh, yes,
that's the latest development, isn't it?
It is, but it's taking on the theme that we've done all through our meat production, and basically it's built on sustainability, quality, luxury, and using wild forage and lots of ingredients off the estate. And I think it's unique, and I hope we will build a world-class global brand and something that's Welsh and something that we can all be proud of.
Well, if you need guinea pigs, we're willing to try it out.
Very much.
Oh, seriously, many congratulations, and thank you for talking to us. Yeah, diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.